सो गाइस, आज हम लोग देखेंगे डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ डूइंग टोटल्स. So most of the people are using this auto sum method for total. So this is one way. Now the second way is people are also using like ये तीनों को सिलेक्ट करेंगे एंड यूजिंग ऑटो सम, तो इससे भी टोटल आता है. एंड एक और मेथड है जिसमें हम लोग सेल एड्रेस लेते हैं, लाइक B5 प्लस C5 प्लस D5. So is equal to is compulsory for all the formulas. So ये सब मेथड बोली जाती है sum by reference. Even there is a shortcut is alt is equal to is the shortcut for sum. So this all method is known as sum by reference. There is one more method of doing total is you can directly use sum by values. Like आपको सिर्फ इधर की वैल्यूज डालनी है. So now this is the shortcut is alt equal to is for sum, and this is all different methods of sum by value and sum by reference. Thank you for watching this video.